Alright, robot, here's the project. Got to replace that thing, which is the controller to this thing. Step one, like it is with any job, shut off the power. Now you can see what we're up against here. These two long screws are wing nuts. The original one is right there, and it'll come out in the same way this one goes in, so I got to figure out where the wing nuts are and undo them. The correct answer is clear back up underneath there. See them? I mean, anyway, I'm going to take them out while you're not looking. Alright, there's the old one. Came right out, no problem. And this is where the control plugs in, this orange one right here. And the way I know this is the orange plug. Here's the orange, and it says orange controller right on it. So out you go. Now I got to string this wire through and attempt to hook it up, but I got to get the old one out first. Now I can pull the old one out. I don't know whose idea it was to insulate these damn wires, but whoever it is needs a good talking to, as Andy Griffith would say. There's a new one going in. Profanity number one. That was traumatic. It was hard to get that wing nut back on. Ended up losing 2 of them. Luckily I had 2 extra. Now we're going to plug this thing in back to where it went. See what happens. Bueno. Now let's see if it actually did what we wanted it to do. Power comes back on. Controller boots up. Video comes on. I'm going to set the clock. It's 2:12. The clock sets with this thing. One o'clock, close enough for government work. Set it on go. F5, I don't care about that. FD, that's 10 hours worth of filter thingero. FF, I don't know what that is. EP0, that's what I want. That's eco mode, I want it shut off. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Now we're in business. Nope, now we're in business. Now let's see what temperature this thing is. Can't tell yet. Let's crank this thing up. 104 it is. Let's turn it on, make sure it's on. Now it's off. Now it's on. Needs a minute to read the temperature. Anyway, it looks like it's working. Set at 104. We'll see what it actually gets to.